Greetings to all. Today we Group 6 are here to give you information about how can we live on Saturn. I would like to call out my teammates, Nishchal.
Hi, my name is Nishchal. I am studying in grade 5 and I am currently in Bangalore. Over to Malhar.
Hi, my name is Malhar. I am studying in class 7. I live in Pune. Over to Shakti.
Hi, my name is Shakti. I am studying 7th and I am currently in Dharmaburi. Over to Obia.
Hi, my name is Ovia. I am studying in grade 7, currently living in Bangalore.
Can we live on Saturn? While planet Saturn is an unlikely place for living things to take hold, as Saturn is a gas giant, you can't even stand on it. So Saturn is a gas giant and we can't stand on it because it doesn't have a surface. Over to Malhar.
But satellites like Enceladus and Titan, home to internal oceans, could possibly support life. But it is really dangerous to travel from Earth to Saturn. It takes over 8 years. We even need to meet the asteroids in asteroid belt. Therefore, no organism has been sent to far planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So Saturn is very far away from Earth, 1.2 billion kilometers. So we could not send any organism there, and we have to even meet the asteroid belt in our travels. Over to Shakti.
Can we live on Saturn rings? There is no solid track at all. Instead, they are made up of billions of chunks of ice, some as tiny as dust particles, others as large as buses. But if you were able to hike on one of Saturn's outermost rings, you will walk about 12 million kilometers to make it around the longest one. So there is only 30% of information of the survival of Saturn's rings. So there is no solid track on Saturn rings. So they are made up of ice, some as tiny ice as dust particles and large as buses. Saturn's outermost ring we need to walk about 12 million kilometer around the longest one. So there is only 30 information of survival of Saturn's rings. Over to Nishal.
Survival on Saturn's moon Titan. Saturn's rings are very thin, so we can't live. So we have to live on Saturn's moon. Saturn's most largest moon, Titan, is Titan, so we can live on it as it supports life. If we want to survive on Titan, we will have to supply important gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, and methane there from Earth to live on Titan. Saturn's rings are very thin, so we have to live on Saturn's moons. We can live on Saturn's moon Titan, as it has some oceans made of liquid methane. We have to bring carbon dioxide, oxygen, and methane from Earth, and lots of water, as the oceans on Titan are made up of liquid methane. Over to Malhar.
Our solar system. Million years before when Sun was formed. Titan was discovered in March 25, 1655 by Christian Huygens. Titan has a radius about 1599 miles. The farthest Titan get from Saturn is 7,81,100 miles. Over to Shakti.
It take it takes Titan about 16 Earth days to revolve around Saturn. Titan only receives only 1% sunlight Earth receives. There are a lot of lakes on Titan. It is made up of liquid methane and ethane. There are sand dunes made up of carbon on Titan covers a large space on Titan. Titan is 50% bigger than planet Earth. So it takes about 16 Earth days to revolve Saturn. Saturn doesn't receive sunlight, so we can't plant plants and we can't live there. So lakes are made up of liquid methane and liquid ethane. Sand dunes are made up of hydrocarbon and large space on Titan. Titan is 50% bigger than our planet Earth. Over to Ovia.
Facts about Saturn. Saturn is the most distant planet that can be seen with the naked eye. Saturn has around 82 moons. Saturn has 7 rings, that is D ring, C ring, B ring, A ring, F ring, G ring, and E ring. You cannot stand on Saturn. This is why Saturn doesn't support life. 1.4848 billion kilometers is Saturn away from Sun. Saturn doesn't receive sunlight than Earth. This is why plants cannot be grown in Saturn and there are no soil in Saturn to grow plants. Saturn is very light. If you could put it in a huge swimming pool, it would float there. This line tells that Saturn is less denser than Earth, than water. The planet is named for Roman god of agriculture and wealth. As you all know, we as living organisms are living on Earth. The second time, thank you.
Thank you.